In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Slack. This can be an important task, especially if you're managing a workspace and need to ensure that only the appropriate members have access. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First up, you'll need to log in to your Slack workspace account. This is the essential first step, as all further actions require you to be logged in with the necessary permissions to manage members. Make sure you're using an account that has administrative privileges, as only these accounts can perform the removal of members. Once you're logged in, your next task is to locate the gear icon. This icon is usually found in the left corner of your dashboard. It's the gateway to various settings and administrative tools, so finding it is crucial. Once you spot it, give it a click. Now that you've clicked the gear icon, the next step is to navigate to the Manage Members section. This is where you can view a list of all the members in your workspace. It's worth taking a moment here to familiarize yourself with the list, especially if you're managing a large team. In this Manage Members area, you should see a tab or option labeled Members. Click on this to proceed. This view will present you with a detailed list of all users currently part of your Slack workspace. As you scroll through the list of members, you'll notice 3 dots next to each member's name. These dots serve as a menu for additional actions you can perform for each user. Find the name of the person you need to remove and click on these 3 dots next to their name. After clicking the 3 dots, a menu will appear with several options. Here, you want to select Deactivate Account. This action will remove their access to the workspace. Deactivation is a safer option than deletion, as it allows for the possibility of reactivation if necessary. After selecting Deactivate Account, you'll likely be prompted to confirm your action. This is a standard security measure to ensure that you don't accidentally remove someone. Once you confirm, the account will be deactivated and the member will no longer have access to your Slack workspace. And that's it! You've successfully removed someone from your Slack workspace. Remember, managing your team's access efficiently is key to maintaining a secure and productive working environment. If you ever need to reactivate the account, you can follow a similar process in the Manage Members section. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.